Hello, hi, myself Dr.P.Shivaranjani, Academic Coordinator, Department of Graphics and Creative Design and Data Analytics. So, here we'll have a case study review on weather forecasting system using IoT systems. The role of IoT in weather reporting system. Traditionally, weather reporting system are getting outdated. They are often prone to the errors and inaccurate predictions, and these factors can be damage your business. With IoT in place, these systems transform dramatically. Traditional weather reporting methods, while informative, often suffers from delay, data collections and transfer. IoT in turn gather data from the sensor in real time. IoT takes the forecast to the next level when combined with internet connected weather stations. It can predict the weathers accurately and quickly from different geographical locations. The IoT based weather monitoring system seamless integrated data from the multiplicity of sources. The weather data, sensor, satellite images, weather stations, damage, and even personal devices are just some examples. The Internet of Things brings in precision to the weather insight. The business can collect data from the specific place, example by improving the crop water based on the soil moisture or challenging flight path to avoid turbulence. The traditional weather monitoring systems. The benefits of weather reporting system using IoTs. With the Internet of Things, weather monitoring systems have been stepped up their games, becoming more accurate, consistent, and quicker in the operations. Now that sound greater, but what does this technique actually offers business? Here are the main benefits. The real-time data collections. Thanks to IoT devices and sensor, business get weathers updated from all sort of location right when they are needed them. Predictive analysis. The IoT powered weather reporting systems uses historical data and current trends to tell the business what coming. That's why the companies can adjust their operations before any weather related challenges appears. Reduce response time. Every seconds of count when the industry is about to taking most faster decision, aerospace or emerging services. That's where IoT weather monitoring comes in as solutions, offering a real-time insight for rapid response times. Cost effectiveness. The weather reporting system using IoT allows the company to optimize the resource usage and reduce waste. For example, the agriculture business can leverage weather forecast to adjust the irrigations and the crop productive measures. Increase safety. The industry prone to weather related risk like constructions or transport enjoy the advantages of IoT based automatic weather stations. These businesses can play their activeness more safely with the minimum of accidents and distributions. These are the some of the industry the benefits from weather monitoring system using IoTs. One is manufacturing, aviations, agriculture, automotive, weather uh, warehouse, laboratories, engineering, and insurance. Type of sensor used for weather monitoring. When learning how to develop IoT based weather reporting systems and considering deploying, 1. The sensor you can adopt on what you are aimed to explore. The various gadgets such as with own particular purpose. Look out how different sensors work for the various scenarios. Boosting crop yield. If the farmers are divided into smart agriculture, they need an information on temperature, humidity, soil moisture, and rainfall. Here are the sensors used in such cases, such as temperature sensor, humidity sensor, hydrometer, soil moisture sensor, rainfall sensor. In increasing flight safety, think about the flight pilot preparing for the smoothie flight. They need to know all about wind speed, direction, atmospheric pressures, and even visibility. Check out the sensor suitable for this use cases is barometric sensor, anometric sensor, rain sensor, visibility sensor. In a nude shell, the sensor you pick for the weather monitoring depend upon what you're dividing into. The next one is weather in healthcare, agriculture, aviation, transport, automotive, warehouse or laboratory. The right weather information is your pass. And here are the primary reason to invest in weather monitoring system using IoT is continuous climate monitoring and IoT weather reporting system track all the environmental changes, whether the smart or big. It means that you can also know that what happening and can prepare for unfavorable weather beforehand. Webi Lab experience in weather monitoring using IoT. WebiLab has performed a background in leaving the Internet of Things for weather reporting, delivering ready-made solutions. We understand that the building custom weather station for start might seem the way to go, but we have a different route, recognizing the extensive resources and time invest in refining and testing existing solutions. We opt the work to work with these well-established opinion. This decision let us focus on what truly matters, extracting accurate and reliable weather data. Using moderate devices in today's market, especially in industry context, weather station devices are often designed for larger economic, where software is not necessarily tailored to specific cloud or application. To bridge this gap, we employ a separate gateway. This gateway allows to turn our software connect to our physical devices through the interfaces like RS485 or RS22332, that is one wired or Ethernet, and the process collectively the data. Owing to that, we integrate the weather insight into your solution easily. Integrating weather monitoring into two smart standalone and two smart clouds, easy to use and usability for the critical for us. That's why they integrated weather into our two smart standalone platform that has been priorities. We have an established integrates visual weather platforms like Open Weather and Yahoo Weather. With this in the place, the user can create a virtual devices effectively and receives real-time weather data for their locations. Tailoring weather site for the specific needs. We have also tailored weather insight to the specific application. Our smart green solutions built on the two smart standalone platform incorporate a unique sensor-based weather forecasting scenarios. User can easily integrate the real-time pressures and wind direction data. The algorithm can then calculate the nearest weather forecast, enhance the precision for the greenhouse operations. Getting weather insight with WebiLab. If you're tried for the Mother Nature surprise and want to protect our business from the weather-related distributions, consider using an IoT-based weather monitoring system. These solutions allow for the real-time data collection and unparalleled forecasting accuracy, ultimately optimizing your process. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you all.